Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a public sub. It's a chicken tender sub. And I also saw that they had this at Walmart. It's a new Doritos golden sriracha, tangy and sweet. So let's try this new Doritos and let's eat the public sub. Also, I have a vinaigrette like sauce, so I'm gonna also try that with it as well. This sub was for the hot chicken tender, fresh tenders I got. It's $11.99 for a whole. So I got whole wheat bread. I didn't want the white. And I got lettuce, banana peppers, black olives, chipotle sauce, and mayo. That's how it looks, guys. Okay. So this is how it looks, guys. Sorry, the video that I was just recording, it was kind of blurry. So this is how it looks. Fresh tenders. So I'm going to put some, and I got onions in it as well. So we're going to try this one as well. This is how it looks, guys. I'm sorry if you guys can't see my my sub. But this is how the chips looks. Sorry. Like this. Okay, let's take a bite. Guys, it's really good. So good. I wish I just add a little bit more mayo and chipotle sauce. I added some vinaigrette, but I don't really taste it, to be honest. And these chips, they remind me of sweet chili heat. Do you guys know sweet chili heat? These type of chips reminds me of that. Mm-hmm. Mm. Guys, they load this up. There's a lot of chicken tenders. Mm. If you guys haven't tried this chicken tenders sub, you guys should try. It's so good. I just wish I had a little bit more chipotle sauce and a little bit more mayo. Mm. Also, guys, I added cheese as well. American cheese. It's in there. Mm. 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 Also, guys, if you want to try these chips, I recommend you guys trying these chips. They're so good. It reminds me of sweet chili heat. You can get these at Walmart. And it's new. I'm not sure if you're going to have it in for a while, but you should try it. It's good. I got it at Walmart. Let's bite this side. Mm-hmm. Mm. Guys, I'm already getting full. Just a half of this is good for me. And I didn't even finish it. You guys should try it with the vinaigrette. It's pretty good. Or get a side of Chipotle sauce. Dip the chicken tenders sub in the Chipotle sauce. Guys. And let me know what you guys think about it. Well, guys, I'm going to end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for continuing subscribe to my channel and for supporting me. Please, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.